Hello friends, so let's start to explore what happened next. Our beloved mouse or micey, in that sense, it has requested the sage again and again so that it can combat with the problem that at present with the others, and now it became, after several transformation, it had became what it had became the boar. So let's find the story, the next part of the story, the origin of opium. For 2 whole days our boar kept his body soaking wet, and on the third day, as he was splashing about in his favorite element, whom should he see but the king of the country riding on a richly caparisoned elephant. The king was out hunting, and it was only by a lucky chance that our boar escaped being bagged. He dwelt in his own mind on the dangers attending the life of a wild boar, and envied the tastely lot of the stately elephant who was so fortunate as to carry about the king of the country on his back. He longed to be an elephant, and at night besought the rishi to make him one. Our elephant was roaming about in the wilderness when he saw the king out hunting. The elephant went towards the king's suit with the view of being caught. The king, seeing the elephant at a distance, admired it on account of its beauty, and gave orders that it should be caught and tamed. Our elephant was easily caught and taken into the royal stables and was soon tamed. It so chanced that the queen expressed a wish to bathe in the waters of the holy Ganga. The king, who wished to accompany his royal consort, ordered that the newly caught elephant should be brought to him. The king and queen mounted on his back. One should suppose that the elephant had now got his wishes, as the king had mounted on his back, but no, there was a fly in the ointment. The elephant, who looked upon himself as a lordly beast, could not brook the idea that a woman, though a queen, should ride on his back. He thought himself degraded. He jumped up so violently that both the king and queen fell to the ground. The king carefully picked up the queen, took her in his arms, asked her whether she had been much hurt, wiped off the dust from her clothes with his handkerchief, and tenderly kissed her 100 times. Our elephant, after witnessing the king's caresses, scampered off to the woods as fast as his legs could carry him. As he ran, he thought within himself thus: "After all, I see that a queen is the happiest of all creatures. Of what infinite regard is she the object?" The king lifted her up, took her in his arms, made many tender inquiries, wiped off the dust from her clothes with his own royal hands, and kissed her 100 times. Oh, the happiness of being a queen! I must tell the rishi to make me a queen. So saying, the elephant, after traversing the woods, went at sunset to the rishi's hut and fell prostrate on the ground at the feet of the holy sage. The rishi said, "Well, what's the news? Why have you left the king's stud? What shall I say to your reverence? You have been very kind to me. You have granted every wish of mine. I have one more boon to ask, and it will be the last. By becoming an elephant, I have got only my bulk increased, but not my happiness. I see that of all creatures, a queen is the happiest in the world. Do, Holy Father, make me a queen." Silly child, answered the rishi, how can I make you a queen? Where can I get a kingdom for you and a royal husband to boot? All I can do is to change you into an exquisitely beautiful girl, possessed of charms to captivate the heart of a prince. If ever the gods grant you an interview with some great prince, our elephant agreed to the change, and in a moment the sage's beast was transformed into a beautiful young lady to whom the holy sage gave the name of Postomony or Postomony or the poppy seed lady. So today we are going to stop here. We will dig into the next part or the final part tomorrow. Till then, be safe, be happy, and thank you for being with me. I would like to request all of you to please support my channel as well as my work by liking it, by sharing it, and also subscribing my channel, as well as thank you for being with me, and thank you for appreciating my work in your own way. Thank you.